Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use the IFS function in Excel to automatically assign grades based on marks. As you can see, we have a list of students, their marks, and an empty result column. On the right side, we have the grading criteria. 80 to 100 equals A, 60 to 79 equals B, 40 to 59 equals C, 20 to 39 equals D, 0 to 19 equals E. The IFS function allows us to test multiple conditions in a single formula. Instead of using several nested IF functions, we can use IFS to make the formula cleaner and easier to understand. In the first result cell, enter the following formula. Equals IFS, I7 equals 80, A. I7 equals 60, B. I7 equals 40, C. I7 equals 20, D. I7 equals 0, E. Here, if the mark is 80 or more, Excel returns A. If the mark is 60 or more, Excel returns B. If the mark is 40 or more, Excel returns C. If the mark is 20 or more, Excel returns D. Otherwise, Excel returns E. Press Enter, then drag the fill handle down to apply the formula to all students. Excel instantly calculates the grade for each student based on their marks. And that's how you use the IFS function in Excel to evaluate multiple conditions and return different results. It's a simple and efficient alternative to nested IF statements. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.